If you've ever wanted your WordPress website to stand out by using different themes for different pages, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this step-by-step guide, you'll know how to easily apply multiple themes to your site, giving each page or post a unique look, no code required. Let's dive right in. First, we'll need a special tool to make this possible, a plugin called Multiple Themes. To get started, head over to your WordPress dashboard and look in the left-hand menu for plugins. Click on that, then select Add New. This is where you can search for and install new plugins. In the search bar, type in Multiple Themes. Once you see it pop up, go ahead and click Install Now and then hit Activate. This plugin is the key. It unlocks all the customization we need. With the plugin active, move over to the Appearance section in your dashboard, and from the little dropdown, find Multiple Themes plugin. Click on it to open up the Settings page. This is the control center for putting different themes on different areas of your website. Now you'll see a section labeled Site Home. This is important because it determines what theme people experience when they land directly on your homepage. Here you can select the theme you want, maybe something clean and bold if your homepage needs to make a strong first impression. Think about the message your landing page sends because it sets the tone for the whole site. Beneath that, you'll notice options for individual pages or posts. This is where the magic really happens. Want your blog posts to feel fun and playful while your product pages show off a sleek modern design? No problem. All you do here is paste in the URL of the specific page or post you want to customize, and then choose a theme for it from the drop-down menu. Take your time here, maybe open your site in another tab so you can copy-paste URLs. That way you won't miss any pages you want to style differently. If you're managing a bigger site or if you want broad changes, the Advanced Settings section is incredibly helpful. Here you can choose to apply a theme across all pages or set a special theme just for all posts. For example, if you're running a travel blog, maybe you give your general pages a classic, easy-to-navigate theme, while all your travel stories get a more visually immersive look. It's entirely up to you, and this flexibility lets you control how visitors experience every corner of your website. Once you've made your selections, don't forget scroll down and click Save Changes. It seems like a small step, but it's what locks in all your hard work. Give it a moment. Sometimes WordPress takes a few seconds to save your new settings, especially if you've made lots of changes. If you ever want to tweak themes later, you can always come back to these settings. And that's really all there is to it. You've given your site the power of multiple themes and tailored every page to fit your style and purpose. This not only makes your website more engaging, it can boost visitor satisfaction and help different parts of your site shine. Thanks for following along. If you found this guide helpful, please hit like. It helps the channel grow. Drop your questions in the comments below if you ever get stuck or need advice on theme choices, and don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward, practical WordPress tutorials. Happy customizing!